Good morning, everybody. So, we are going to make some mushroom pork chops. You know, the mushroom soup and in the sun oven. So, first we are going to use some cream of mushroom soup. And you can use any kind of pork chops you want, or those country style pork ribs, or pork chunks, or pork roast, whatever you want. Bone in. I'm using some thin cut pork loin chops. My husband likes thin ones. Going to add a little milk, half a can of milk, half a can of water, and you can do the same thing in the oven, regular oven, but it's going to be 1,000 degrees today, so we've been eating salad and sandwiches and so we want a meal today. I want to get it started. During the day I don't run any appliances. I just stay in one room with the light on. Trying not to pull on the energy. So I have my pork chops, and I'm going to season them with some Lawry's and pepper. I'm not going to use a lot of salt because that soup is salty enough. And you can use thick cut pork chops, bone in pork chops. And I have some mushrooms from the freezer. I'm going to add those to the soup. And then I'm going to do mixed vegetables and probably some kind of flavored instant mashed potato. I made more pickles last night, so at this point I have enough pickles for a year, and my cucumbers are still producing, so I'm going to end up with pickles for 2 years. My tomatoes aren't doing jack. There's some out there, but hopefully if it ever cools down, they'll do something. Last year I made enough salsa for, well, it's lasted a year and I still have half a case. And I think I have 1 or 2 jars left of my home canned tomatoes, so make sure you're backing up your backups because the weather is crazy. Okra, we'll see how much we get. I guess anything will be better than nothing. We're going to add our pork chops in there. And these pans came with the Sun Oven. There's another one that fits underneath this one, so you could put your veggies or whatever you wanted in that one and put this on top of it and cook everything at once. And then we're just going to put that lid on it. You could use any pot you have or pan you have with the lid and do the same thing if you don't have these, because a lot of people have asked me, where did you get the pots that I've used before in videos. I've tried to add my older videos to the playlist, but it's just the Creator Studio's not letting me do that, so I will add this one to the playlist. So I'm going to go move the Sun Oven into the sun, and then we will get this out there. It is 10 a.m. so I'm just going to let them cook all day like you would in a crock pot. Okay, so I'm putting it in. It's at 100 degrees, just opening it up, so. And really all you have to do is adjust to the sun. But this should be okay for a while. So there we go, getting started. And this is the Sun Oven. My yard is turning brown. Hi you guys. So I decided to put these green beans in with the pork chops. Just be easier, and then all I have to do is boil water for the mashed potatoes. So I'm going to add a little bit of bacon drippings, green beans, juice and all, because these are seasoned. Some black pepper. A little bit of garlic powder. And some dehydrated minced onion. Stir that up. You get my pot holder, because the last I looked the Sun Oven was at 250, so I don't want to burn myself. And we will take this outside. I don't know if you can see that, but it's almost at 325, so it is smoking hot. So I'm going to lift that out and put these in. So hold on. Let's see. I need two hands. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but they're both in there. And even with two hands, I burned the heck out of my hand. So, yeah, it is hot in there. So, full dinner. Just have to boil water tonight. And I'm out of here till this is cooked. Okay, you guys. I've decided I need an UGG glove for this thing. I burnt the heck out of my hand. And these are just too bulky. This thing is cooking. You can smell it. Look at that. It is boiling. There. Did you see that? That was probably terrible filming. So it is bubbling hot in there. It smells good. Yep, definitely need because even these little things right here, they're hot. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn this a little bit and go back in my house. Okay, checking on our food. Uh-oh, I just moved it. Probably got a close-up of my ugly mug. There we go. Browning on the sides there. It's so hot, you guys. Oh, that smells good. So yeah, I just had to move it. And just standing here, it's a scorcher. So, our next trip out here will be to get it out. Okay guys, it's dinner time, so I'm going to pull these out of here. I got my mitt and a dish towel, and I can't film any further till we get in the house, because I have burns all over. So there's dinner. It smells good. I don't even know if you saw that. So we'll be back. Okay, so I have my mashed potatoes done. Put those out of the way. Here's our food. Do you see that steam? It's hot. And look, you can burn yourself. You see that burn? A burn there, burns there, and a burn there. That was from earlier when I went to check on it. See, everything's hot and ready. Stir these taters. Just did plain potatoes tonight. No. Okay. So, let's see. Let's green beans, some mashed potato. I think tomorrow we're just going to have egg salad sandwiches for dinner. Get those mushrooms mixed in. So there it is, guys. Mashed potatoes, the gravy, mushrooms, the pork chop, the green beans. So let's try this pork chop. See, look how tender that is. Just fall apart tender. Get some of those mashed potatoes, mushroom, bite of meat, gravy. It's hot. So good. You gotta try it. This Sun oven is so handy, and it's saving me money on my power. So let's try these green beans. That was so hot. Oh, that's so good. Tender. And those have absorbed all the flavor I added. The onion, the bacon. I just put some bacon drippings, garlic powder, dried onion, and pepper. And they're delicious. So that's dinner in the Sun oven tonight, you guys. So please like, comment, subscribe, and post any questions you have down below, or any ideas or something you'd like to see cooked in the Sun oven, and we will give it a shot. So you all take care, you stay safe, you stay healthy, and you stay cool in this weather, because it is really dangerous. Drink lots of fluids. You all take care.